How to fix review import stuck at 0% in WooCommerce. If your review import in customer reviews for WooCommerce is stuck at 0%, this usually isn't a bug, it's a setup issue you can fix. Start with your server limits. Imports often fail silently when your server runs out of resources. Set your PHP memory limit to at least 256 megabytes and max execution time to 300 seconds. Next, check your CSV file format. The plugin expects specific fields like product ID or SKU, review content, rating, and reviewer details. Missing or incorrect columns can prevent the import from starting. Also, make sure your file is encoded as UTF-8 without BOEM. Incorrect encoding can break parsing and stop the import at 0%. Now check for plugin conflicts. Disable unnecessary plugins, especially SEO, security, or database optimization tools. They can interfere with background processing. It's also a good idea to temporarily switch to a default theme like Storefront. Some themes can break AJAX requests used during import. Finally, open your browser console and look for AJAX errors. If you see failed requests, it usually points to timeouts or blocked server calls. Fix these issues, restart the import, and it should move past 0% and begin processing normally. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.